Hey boys and girls, in this video I'm going to be telling you how to comment on other students' work that they've posted. So let's say that my name is Pickle Pickle, and I know that my friend Test Pickle, who's in my class, has posted his legend and it got approved by Miss Midas. I want to go and comment on his legend after I read it, so where would I find that? If you go to the post button up at the top and you scroll down, you'll see all the posts for your class. So far there's just one from Miss Midas and there's one from Test Pickle. So I'm going to read Test Pickle's legend. So I'm going to scroll down here. And you can even see the word count at the top here. The legend is 555 words. Wow, that's really specific. And I'm going to read the legend, scroll all the way down. Let's say I'm super impressed by this legend. I really want to leave some great comments here. So at the very bottom, there's a text box where you can type in a comment. We are only going to be leaving positive feedback for our peers, so no negative feedback. There's really no reason for that. This is kind of the last assignment of the year, so, you know, we're just all doing this to enjoy it. So in terms of positive feedback, you can give compliments for things that you liked, but you can also give constructive positive feedback, kind of like if you saw them using some dialogue but you wish there was a little bit more, you could say that in your comment. So let's see what we say. So hi Test Pickle, I loved your story. You have great characters. I wish you would have included a little more dialogue so that we could get to know your characters better. Awesome work. And maybe that's my comment that I want to leave. So I'm going to press the post comment button, and it says, oh, I think I pressed it too many times. That might happen. Your comment will be displayed once approved by the teacher. Thank you. So after you press it only one time, because if you press it twice, it's going to say that there was that error, it'll show up here. It says your comment is awaiting moderation, and that means that basically only you and I can see it. You, the student who posted it, and me, the teacher, until I approve it, and then once I approve it, it'll go through, and then everyone who reads this story will be able to see that comment. So keep it positive, keep it nice. If not, obviously I'm not going to approve not nice comments. So keep it positive and make sure you're focusing on what strategies that they used in their story. Did they really develop their characters well? Did they use some awesome dialogue? Did they use some really amazing descriptions? Were their verbs really vivid verbs or vivid adjectives? Did you like their ending? Did you like their problem? Did you like the thing that was created at the end of the story? Let them know by putting that in your comment. Be as specific as possible. Saying things like great story or awesome job is nice, but it's not really specific. We're trying to give specific feedback. So try and be as specific as possible in your feedback for your peers, writing in your peer feedback. And yeah, try and also have fun with it. Read as many of your peers' essays as possible and leave comments on every one that you read, so that in the end everyone should have, you know, at least a dozen comments on their legend. So that'll be really great. Just make sure to read and continue to check on the site every day, as more and more people are going to be publishing throughout the week. So even if you only see one legend on here one day, if you keep going to this post page, more and more people's legends will start appearing as they are publishing and finishing up with that. All right, let me know if you have any questions, boys and girls, and I'll talk to you soon.